Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Windows 10 edition and ensuring you have a backup. This protects files if activation changes fail. Next, locate the original product key or sign into the Microsoft account that holds a digital license. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, then Activation. Make sure to keep admin credentials handy so you can run commands and switch keys without interruptions. This first phase sets everything up so the restore process proceeds cleanly and with minimal risk. You now perform the key swap. If you have a GUI key, go to Change Product Key and enter it. Windows will attempt online activation. If activation fails or you need manual control, open Elevated PowerShell and run slmgr. VBS/IP your key to install, then slmgr. VBS/auto to activate. For hardware-tied digital licenses, use the activation troubleshooter in Settings to link your Microsoft account. Once complete, verify status with slmgr. VBS/DLI or in Settings so you confirm a success. You finish by rebooting and confirming activation in Settings. This ensures system components register the license. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter and follow its prompts, or note the error code and contact Microsoft support while signed into your linked account. Make sure to document the working key and link any digital license to your Microsoft account to simplify future restores. If network or hardware changes cause the problem, addressing those first often resolves activation errors. Keep that approach in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.